This is my bike check. I just got some parts, and so yeah, my bike's pretty much like pretty dialed, I guess. That's what people say these days. Alright, I guess we'll start off at the top. Got Odyssey bar ends in black, obviously. They're the best bar ends. They're really hard plastic, and they're light. They look nice. They don't break off. They have a screw in them. They're just the best bar ends. Just get them. Colt Faith grips. I just put these on today. I had these on before, and they're really nice. They wore out like quite a bit though, so I put some new ones on. The bars are Shadow Conspriacy Vultus handlebars with 8-inch rise, 28-inch width, 3 degrees of upsweep, which is a bit more. Most bars have about 2, and 10 degrees of backsweep. Stem is a profile acoustic. I also just put this on today. It looks really nice. I know that for sure. It's light and it hasn't slipped yet. It's well, yeah.
Got it, retard.
Yeah. Headset is the Shadow. I forget what it's called. It's just the Shadow headset, whatever. Comes with the spacer, so I liked it. It looks sweet too. And fork is the Demolition Elite fork. It's Rob Wise's signature fork. It's good. Has an integrated bearing race. 4mm thick dropouts. It's just a good fork. The front tire is a big FAF 2.25. The front rim is a Weinmann. It's the stock one. It's single wall, stock spokes, and stock body. Sealed bearings. The peg is the Shadow Conspriacy little one. Hubguard is the Demolition Bulimia V2 hubguard. It's nice. Frame. Gotta do the frame. Frame is the frame from the complete Fit 82 complete bike. It's chromoly top tube, down tube, seat tube, and head tube. Top tube length is 20.5 inches. Head tube angle is 75 degrees. And in the back end is, I think, 13.5. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Pedals are the Odyssey trail mix pedals. I've had them on for a while. They're pretty good. They grip. Oh, fucking replacement pin, so it's good. And actually, one of my pins fell out, but that was weird. They're nice, grippy. Cranks are the profile BMX-GDH cranks. They're left-hand drive, 48 spine, 175 millimeters long. Seat is a Mike Aitken Pivitol seat. It's decently comfy. Seat post is just the Colt Pivitol seat post. It's just a seat post. The Sprocket is the Tree Lite Sprocket 25 tooth. It looks pretty sick, I know. Stock bottom racket. What else? Chain is a KMC 410 chain. Back rim is a G-Sport Rollcage rim. Spokes are Eclat double butted spokes. And the hub is the G-Sport Ratchet with the it's a 9-tooth driver, female axles. It's nice.
It's windy as hell right now.
It is windy as hell. And then finally, back peg. Here, I can just go around. Back peg is the Shadow little one again, obviously. And the hubguard is the G-Sport Ratchet one. It's good. I think that's it for my bike. Oh, yeah. And